Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I just got the Cricut Joy and wanted to show you how to do everything as I do everything. Just took it out of the box, so I have already opened this. Of course, I was too excited to wait for the video. So here's a Let's Get Started pamphlet. It tells you how to set it up. What to use. It already comes with, like I said, some samples, cardstock and some vinyl, and a small mat. This is a 4x6 mat, and I went ahead and bought the bigger one, the 4x12. So this is the full length one. And let's see, what else did I buy? I got some Smart Iron-On. This really cool, it's called Dahlia. Very, very cool, shiny. And this permanent black that I will be using today. And of course I grabbed some markers. They're not markers, excuse me, they're gel pens. These are gel pens, and then these are regular pens. And then, of course, I had to get a bag because I am so excited that this is portable and hopefully really easy to use. I'm not saying that my maker is not easy, but I like that this is more of a to-go, on-the-go kind of machine. So let me get my iPad up and running, and I'm going to show you how to sync the Cricut Joy to your iPad. Hopefully it is an easy process and we can get right to our project. So we will need to sync the Joy to the iPad. So go to Settings and go to Bluetooth. And you're going to find the Joy. It's going to show up. You're going to click on it and it should come up connected. Ta-da! There we go. Now go into Cricut Design Space. And over in the left hand corner at the top are my initials. So I'm going to click on that and it says Machine Selection. And right now it's set up to Maker. And then I'm going to click on Cricut Joy. And then there are some really cool projects already that you can... Oh, that's cool. Foil moon earrings. That's pretty neat. Okay. I am going to go into New Project. I am making a canvas for our new puppy. I already have her little paw print on there. And I'm going to do her name with the Joy. And I'm going to make the heart with my maker because it's bigger. Now I need to find a pretty font that I like. Okay, so once I pick my font, I'm going to type out her name. And I am not sure if I like this font. Let me see. Let's see, the width is, I can have it a little bigger. Not too big. I'm going to go to 7 for that. Now I'm going to go back because I really don't like this font. So okay, so Beauty is her name. I am going to make this a little bigger. I'm going to do 7. This is going on a canvas, an 8x10 canvas, so I think 7 will be perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to make it. because this is smart vinyl, it looks like I don't need a mat for this. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to click on without mat. And there it goes. And I do not need to put the mirror on because I'm not switching the sides. It's just going to go right on to the canvas. And everything is ready to go. It tells you the material load type, what size the material is, and I'm just going to click on continue. And then over here it says set material. I'm going to click on Smart Vinyl Permanent. That's what it is. It says pressure. I'm going to click on, oh wait, where did that go? I'm going to click on more for the pressure. Sometimes I like to do more because it doesn't cut all the time through, and I want to make sure I don't have to do it twice. I'm going to put it right in and it will load, and it's going to make sure that my material is long enough, and it says it's good. And now you click the bottom right corner, go, on your screen. And it's going to prepare it, and then it's going to cut out my letters. This is so exciting. I love that I can have it anywhere with me. My craft room is a hot mess right now, so sometimes it's not always fun to do a project. But now I can just bring this into the kitchen or wherever I want it to be, and ta-da! Except for those big projects. I have to do a heart for this. And here's the paw print. Two cute little paw. And do a little heart and her name. And look at that. Done. Okay, and then on your screen you're going to click unload, and it'll come all the way out. And there you have it. The vinyl off. Of course, I have my little tool not with me right now. Don't know why I didn't bring that in. At least this is a nice easy project. I can just grab these little pieces in between the letters. Okay. There we go. Now I do need my scraper tool. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's a tool that I should have used, but luckily enough that was easy to get them out between the letters. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little scraper. I'm gonna scrape onto the transfer tape. All right, here we go. Hi, this is giving me a hard time. Come on, letters. I've used this transfer paper maybe a little too many times, so it doesn't want to work. All right, so here is Beauty on a transfer paper, and I'm going to put this at the bottom. Or should I put it at the top? Oh, I don't know. Decisions. I'm going to put it towards the bottom. I'm going to carefully peel this off. And nice and easy, it's coming off. Put this back on because I will use this. And there you have it. Nice and easy. I am really excited about this machine. I can't wait to use it more. Yeah. And that's a wrap. That's how you do it. Very easy. Please be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button and please share, and thank you so much for all of your support. I cannot wait to share more videos with this machine as well as my Cricut and my other fun projects that I've been doing. So that's it. Thank you so much again and take care. Bye.